Good morning, students. Hope you all are fine at your home. Welcome back to ICT class. So, by the previous class itself, we have completed 8th chapter, database. And from today's class onwards, we are going to start a new chapter, chapter 9, moving images. So, from the name itself, it implies that it related to animation. We are going to deal with how to do animation with some objects. And in this chapter, we are going to study about a new software called Skinfig Animation Studio. So by using this Skinfig animation, we'll do some animation related to some stars moving in the sky and also a bird flying in the sky. So these are the activities which we are going to deal in this chapter. So by the end of today's class, you will able to learn about a new area called animation and to learn about the importance of animation, and there are different stages in making animation. So the learner will learn about different stages in making an animation video, and also the learner will understand about a new software called Skinfig Studio in order to make or do the animation. So shall we start today's class session with the new chapter? So let's start today's class with the first two activities in chapter 9. So let's start chapter 9, moving images, and from the name itself it implies that it is related to making animation video. So while making animation, there are different stages in that making of animation video. So what are the different stages of producing an animation film? We have to find a story, and we have to design characters, and we have to prepare a storyboard, and finally we have to animate that characters. So the first topic deal with introducing an animation film and different stages in animation. So in your textbook, page number 133, you can see the first activity, different stages in animation. So the first and foremost stage is design of characters. First of all, according to that story, we have to design the characters. So first stage is design of characters, and the second stage is according to that characters we have to make a storyboard creation. Storyboard means what? We have learned many ways of preparing storyboard when we made multimedia presentation. So we have to prepare a detailed storyboard according to that characters. For example, scene 1, scene 2, scene 3, and in scene 1 what are the characters and what is the action, what is the sound, what is the theme. According to that, we have to prepare different scenes related to a story. That's what mean by storyboard creation. And the third stage, which is the final stage, is that we have to animate that characters according to that storyboard. So this is the three main stages while introducing an animation film. Okay, so this is the first activity in chapter 9. So let's see it in detail. What do you mean by design of characters? Design of characters means character designing is an important stage in making an animation film. It means bringing characters to life with humanity and personality. So this has a huge role in giving life to the story. So while design that characters, we have to think of the following things to be considered. What are the things to be considered while designing the characters? The appearance of the characters, and we have to select suitable colors for the image. We have to make some images. So for that images, we can select suitable colors. And the third thing to be considered is that a drawing style that could be easily modified. So these are the three main things to be considered while designing the characters. So this is the first and foremost stage in making animation. We have to design some characters. And then second stage is that storyboard. We have to prepare storyboard according to that film or according to that story. We have to prepare a storyboard. Here you can see an image of storyboard. It is given in page number 134, which is the second activity in chapter 9. Activity 9.2. Let's complete the storyboard. So a detailed storyboard like this is important for the preparation of making an
animation film. So here we have to animate the characters. Like first scene was stellar moments. Here in this chapter deals with three main animation characters. First one is according to stellar moments, movement of a star towards both sides. This is the first animation. And the second animation is sunrise. The sun rises. So that is the second animation. And the third animation character is bird flying in the sky. So these are the three animation characters in this chapter. So here you can see the first scene, stellar moments. Here you can see the image corresponding to that stellar moment. And what are the characters in that stellar moment? There will be a sky and small and big stars. And what will be the action? Action is that a big star is moving towards both sides. So this is the action. And sound, we can give a background music for that movement of star. And the time will be, we can provide a suitable time in order to move that star. Here the time is 5 seconds. So this is the preparation of storyboard. Here it is scene 1 and you can prepare scene 2. You can give any action, any characters according to that story. So here in scene 2, the story is given in page number 132, summary of Vipin's story. So here it is a story related to a small bird. So the first scene will be the small bird come out from his nest, and that bird sees that sky, stellar moments, a star is moving towards both sides. And the scene 2, in the scene 2 we can provide the mother bird is flying from her nest towards the sky. So in the scene 2 we can provide that particular scene. So the characters will be sky, tree and bird, and the action will be bird flying away from the nest. And sound, same of the scene 1, we can provide a background music for that scene. And time also we can provide 5 or 10 seconds. So like this we can give scene 2, scene 3, etc. And here you can see scene 8. Scene 8 is given as sunrise. Characters sun, sky, action, the sun rises, then sound, similar way background music, and the time we can provide 5 seconds. And like that scene 9, scene 10 we can give like this, characters, action, sound, time, etc. And next scene we can give characters tree and bird, sky, then action. Action, what will be the action? Bird flying towards the nest. And sound, we can provide a background music. Time we can give some seconds. Like that we can prepare a story board according to the story. So here the story is about a small bird, and what all are the things that bird views in the sky. The first scene will be stellar movement. A star is moving towards both sides. And the second scene will be that small bird's mother flying from her nest in order to search for the food. And next scene will be sunrise. So the sun rises in the sky. And next scene we can give sunset. And last scene we can give that small bird's mother flying towards the nest. So according to that story we can provide animation. So second step is we want to create a storyboard according to the story. So first scene we have to design the characters in that story. Second stage is we have to complete the storyboard. So here is the image of creating storyboard. So according to that story we can design storyboard. And last step is that animation based on storyboard. So as of now we have created one storyboard. So according to that storyboard we have to make animation. What do you mean by animation? Animation is an illusion created by displaying still images in a fast and continuous manner. You all know the definition of animation. What do you mean by animation? It's an illusion created by displaying still images moving in a fast and continuous manner. So this is a technology that depends on the persistence of vision. It is according to our vision. Anything that we see persists in our vision for a short time even after it is removed. So this is all about animation. In the textbook page number 133 it is given. So read out that definition. And for doing this animation there are a lot of softwares are available. So here we are going to deal with the first software, Skinfig Animation Studio, and there are another software like 2P Open, 2-Dimensional Magic, Pencil, Adobe Flash, Toon Boom, Anim Studio. So these are some of the softwares related to animation. Out of the softwares we are going to deal with the first software, which is Skinfig Animation Studio. What do you mean by Skinfig Animation Studio? There are another softwares that we can perform this animation, but here in this chapter we are going to deal with this particular software. So what do you mean by Skinfig Studio? It's a free 2-dimensional animation application. The software was created by Robert B. Quattlebaum, and this application is used to create animations by giving movement to the cartoon images in a 2-dimensional canvas. And the software we can run in Linux, Windows, and also in Apple Mac. So this is all about animation introduction. So now we have studied about the stages of animation. First stage is designing the characters, and based on that characters and based on the story we have to prepare a storyboard. In that storyboard we can include the character name and image related to that scene, and action. What is the action should be performed in scene 1, and then sound. We can provide a background music, and we can give a particular time, some seconds. So according to this conditions we can create a storyboard, and according to the storyboard we are going to animate the characters. So that we can use several softwares in order to perform this animation. But in this chapter we are going to deal with a new software called Skinfig Studio. It's a new term for you. It's a new software for you. So it is related to GIMP software. Some tools and some mechanisms are related to GIMP software. So in this chapter it deals with that 3 scene. First scene is movement of star towards both sides, and the second scene is sunrise, and the third and final scene is bird flying in the sky. So you are going to deal with these 3 animation characters. So next activity in this chapter is page number 135. Let's understand the application. We are going to open Skinfig Studio, and you will see what all are the tools which we are going to deal in this chapter. So this is next activity. Let's understand the application. In page number 135 you can see the image of Skinfig Animation Studio. So let's open Skinfig Animation Studio. So here is the chapter 9. So here you can see activity 9.1 stages, and the left side you can see about the first stage design of characters, and below that you can see about animation. Then next activity you can see the creation of storyboard, and then next we are going to deal with, let's understand the application. So I'm going to open Skinfig Animation Studio. So application, graphics, Skinfig Studio. So open Skinfig Studio. So this is Skinfig Animation Studio window, and here you can see different segments. So this particular segment is known as canvas. In every graphical software we can see canvas in order to draw a figure or in order to make animation. Here it is canvas, and in the similar way that of GIMP, in left side you can see the toolbox or tool palette, and here some tools look like the tools in GIMP. Here you can see several tools. When you move your mouse cursor to each and every tool, you can see the corresponding name. First one is transform tool in order to select. Then smooth move tool, then scale tool, then rotate tool, then mirror tool, circle, rectangle, star, then gradient tool, then text tool, fill color tool, then splint tool, draw tool. So here when you move your mouse cursor, you can see the corresponding name of that tool. Here you can see the foreground and background color. Then this particular side is known as tool panel or toolbox. So first one is canvas, second one is toolbox, and here you can see a third panel, which means parameters panel. When you are doing some work over here, you can see the corresponding name and value here. It is known as parameter panel. And this particular thing is known as, here you can see some time. So this is known as time track panel. Here we are not drawing any pictures. Here we are going to do animation, moving images. So this is time track panel. And last panel, here you can see some things. So this panel is known as layer panel. So how many panels are there? One is canvas. Here it is tool panel, which means toolbox. Here it is parameters panel. Here it is time track panel. And the last and final thing is layer panel. In GIMP also we are preparing some layers. Like that, when we are doing each and every activity, we can create layers. So it is known as layer panel. So this all are about that application or that software Skinfig Studio. And next activity, activity 9.3, page number 136, you can see one table. So fill that table. Here there are several tools. First tool is transform, second tool square tool, then third tool circle tool, then fourth tool fill tool, then fifth tool gradient tool, then sixth tool star tool, and the last tool move tool. So by seeing that name, fill that table, write the use of each tool. So it's a homework for you, activity 9.3. So this is about today's class session. In the next class, we'll start with the first activity, scene 1, movement of star. So in today's class session, we have discussed about only some introduction part related to new software. The first activity was different stages in making animation. So 3 main stages are there while preparing one animation video. The first stage is designing of characters. We have to design the characters according to the story. After that, based on that characters, we have to prepare a complete storyboard which includes action, then character name, image of that scene, then sound, time. So according to that story, we have to prepare storyboard including scene 1, scene 2, scene 3, etc. And the final step is creating animation video according to that characters. And second activity, we have discussed about Skinfig Animation Studio and tools in Skinfig Animation Studio. So how to open Skinfig Animation? Go to application, graphics, Skinfig Animation Studio. It is just similar to GIMP software. The only difference is that in this software we will animate some characters. So 3 panels are there: tool panel, parameters panel, time track panel, layers panel. Sorry, 4 panels, 4 important panels, and 1 canvas is there in the Skinfig Animation Studio. So this all are about first class related to chapter 9. Here is the homework for you. I have already mentioned that homework, activity 9.3 in your textbook. There are some tools given in one table. So write the uses of the given tool. The name of tool is here: transform tool, square tool, circle tool, fill tool, then gradient tool, star, smooth move tool. So here is the name of tools. Write the uses of the given tools. It's a homework for you, activity 9.3 in your textbook. So from the next class onwards, we'll start from the first scene, movement of star, using Skinfig Animation Studio.
So that's all for today. Hope you all have understood about all the activities which we have discussed in today's class session. So another activities will be discussed in the next class. So do your homework, study well, complete your notes. Thank you and have a nice day.